Having a baby is the most wonderful experience a parent can have. And as he becomes able to move around the house, it is your responsibility to make sure that he is safe. Welcome to Ruthsstraighttalk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you several tips to keeping baby safe as he explores your home. Also, don't miss my bonus tip on keeping baby happy and healthy at the end of this video. So let's get right to it. As soon as your baby is able to move around, you should baby-proof your home. Here are some helpful ways to keep your baby safe at home. First of all, number 1, cover all electrical outlets. Number 2, fasten all electrical cords to the baseboards or to the wall. Number 3, use safety gates to secure stairs and any drop-down area in the home. Number 4, secure cleaning products and medications in a locked cabinet. And number 5, make sure that a swimming pool is surrounded by a fence and has a gate that locks automatically. So how can I keep my kitchen safe from my baby? First of all, use only the back burners on the stove for cooking and turn all pot handles away from the front of the stove. Number 2, place hot food and drink away from the edge of the counter or table, and make sure that the knives and other sharp objects are in locked or child-proof drawers or cabinets. Secure all appliance cords out of the reach of tiny hands. How can I keep my baby safe from medicines and poisons? First of all, place medicines, vitamins, cleaning supplies, and other poisons in designated locked cabinets away from food and especially away from candy. The National Poison Control Hotline number is 1-800-222-1222. Keep this number in your telephone and call if your baby swallows something harmful. You can find this number in the description of this video. So how can I make bath time safer? Never ever leave your child alone in the bath or with another child, since children can drown in very little water. If you have to answer the phone or the door, take your baby with you. Number 2, always test the water before putting your baby in the tub. Young children can be burned if the bath water is too hot. Number 3, set your water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or less. You can use a meat or a candy thermometer to check the temperature of the water. Number 4, keep electrical cords, items such as hair dryers, away from the water. Unplug them when you aren't using them. How can I make the windows safe? Keep children away from the windows and use window guards to keep them from falling. Also, move furniture away from the windows so that children cannot climb up to the window. How can I prevent baby from falling? If I use an infant carrier, I must always place it on the floor, never on a counter or a tabletop. I must make sure if the baby is always strapped in. Never leave your baby alone on a bed, couch, changing table, or infant seat from which they can fall or roll off. Even if you're looking away for just a second, when your baby is placed on anything above the ground, like a changing table, always stand close with your hand on your baby, since accidents can happen very quickly. The bonus tip for this video includes some miscellaneous safety tips for the baby at home. First of all, remove the possibility of choking by keeping plastic bags and deflated or burst balloons away from your child. Number 2, keep alcohol and cigarettes out of the reach of your child. Number 3, secure firearms in a locked place with the key where the child cannot reach it. Unload the guns and store them in a separate place from the bullets. Number 4, lock matches and lighters in a cabinet that is higher than your shoulders. So there you have it, several tips to help you keep your baby safe in the home. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. As always, thank you so much for being with us at Ruthsstraighttalk.com. Goodbye and happy learning.